Dear traders, in this video I will be explaining you that how you can identify and then trade the proper supply and demand zones, and how you will be able to take the profit by looking towards the indicators, and when you have to combine two or three indicators, how you have to identify that this is the proper time to enter into the market and when to exit from the market. Okay, this strategy can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market, but here I will be telling you that which program using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you can have the 5 options of accounts. There are 2 standard accounts, standard and standard send, and 3 professional accounts, raw spread, zero and pro accounts. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. Okay, so if you're interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have opened gold chart with 15 minutes time frame. It's up to you. You can open any time frame. So I have chosen 15 minutes time frame from here. The first indicator that we are going to use here is the dots. The dots is by Intromoto. 280 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart, and you can see here are some dots that are shown on your chart. Okay, now you have to go into the settings tab, and you have to change few of the settings of this indicator. You have to change fast period from 11 to 15, and then you have to change first oversold level from 20 to 30, and then first over bought level from 76 to 70, and a medium period you have to change from 12 to 20, and then you have to go into this will be 16, 87, 25, close, and 22, and that's all. Now you will go into the style tab. You have to uncheck few of the options: second OS dot, second OB dot, second OS dot, third OS dot, and third OB dot, because we are not going to use these additional requirements into our chart right now. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to change its adjustment. First of all, I will be changing its color from this to green to bright green, and then I will be changing its first OB dot from yellow to bright red. Okay, this is better. Fine. Now I will be changing this circle into the triangle up, and this to triangle down. Okay, it's better now. Fine. So what we have to do now, click OK, and this is all about the adjustment of this indicator. Now we are going to add the second indicator, and that is RSI plus backlight overbought or oversold level. This is here by Crypto Insider. 101 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. And now you have to go into the settings of this indicator. From here, click it, and now you have to change few of the options by going into the inputs tab. By going into the styles tab, and from here you have to go into the RSI. You have to change its thickness from this to this so that it can be more prominent. And now you will go into the fill background between up line and down one line. You have to uncheck this, and it will be set now. Okay, click OK, and that's all for its settings, and you can see it will be looking like this. Okay, now I have to tell you that how to enter into the trade by looking towards the signals given by the indicator. First of all, the dots. As you can see, these are the green color triangles that are giving us the signal to move up. But as you can see here, there are few red color triangles that are giving us the signal for the downward trend or for the sell signal, bearish trend, and this is giving us the upward trend or the bullish trend. But always you have to remember that whenever we will be receiving these kind of signals by any indicator, we have to confirm it by looking towards the second indicator, that is our RSI, overbought oversold level, right? So you have to look towards this. For example, here if it has gone into the oversold levels, then it must be returned back, means it has to change its trend reversal. It will take its trend reversal and finally it will enter into the market for the buy signal. But from here we have to take the trade, or we have to enter into the trade for the buy or for the bullish signal by looking towards this signal, and as it will move above to this, then we have to take the entry into the market. And as you can see, now it has gone in the profitable trade. But here again, if we see another signal, for example, here it has given us the signal for the buy, then we have seen that here, yes, here it has gone in the oversold level, so it has to take the trend reversal. As it will move up, we will take the trade, and finally it has gone in the profit, so it will be a profitable trade. While we will be looking towards our sell signal, for example, this indicator, that was the dots indicator, has given us the signal for the sell signal, and it has shown us the red color triangle. So we have to look towards our RSI indicator, which is showing us that it was in the overbought level, so it has to take the trend reversal. Finally it has to be a bearish signal, so it will be a bearish signal. Till here it has taken the profitable trade, and this was a bearish signal. Okay, but by looking towards this indicator, we can see that there are many signals which are false signals or weak signals. So what we have to do for avoiding or for not using these signals for our trading, we have to add the third and the last indicator, and that is BJ key levels, and that is Bjorgum key levels. We have to go into the into this indicator. 13,411 traders are using this indicator. So as you can see, here are the key levels that are being drawn in the blue and the yellow color lines. So what we have to do, we have to go into the adjustment of this indicator, and we have to go for a few of the adjustment of this indicator settings. So what we have to go into the inputs tab, we have to look towards a few of the settings. For example, in the look left, we have to change from 20 to 18. In the look right, we will change it from 15 to 13. In the number of pivots, we have changed from 5 to 4. And ATR length is 30. We will change it into 32. And then we will change a zone width from 0.5 to 0.4, and maximum zone percent is 5, and then is 10, and then is 30. So we will not change it anymore. We will see in the style, no, we are not going to change anything. We have changed already these things. So maximum zone percent, or if we see pivots, number of pivots are 4, so we will make it 3. Click OK, and that's it for the setting of this indicator. As you can see here, we have found this indicator, and it is working like not only for the support and resistance level, and as you can see, this is the support level, and this is the yellow color lines are showing the resistance level. So whenever our market will move down, the support level will pump it back, and it will be reversed back towards its resistance level. And if it will cross its resistance level, then it will enter into another you can say mode, or the zone, or the envelope. So it will work as its support level, and this will be as its resistance level. As you can see here, it has crossed this level, so it has entered into the envelope. That was the second level, so this became the support level, and it became the resistance level. But always remember that whenever one level of support or resistance will be crossed by the market, always remember that there will be another support or resistance level that is made by this indicator. So we have to work according to this. We have to look towards the market's trend. Whenever there are more sellers in the market, there will always be an oversold level, and when there are more buyers in the market, there will be an overbought level. So we have to look towards all three three indicators, and then we have to take the trade. For example, if I will take the same trade as we have discussed before. So for example, here, if we have taken this trade by looking towards this, it has gone above by confirming from this indicator, that was the RSI indicator, and then we have seen that Bjorgen key level also is showing that this is the support level, and the market has to pumped back towards its resistance level. It has gone above, it has crossed this level and gone more up, even it has reached to this level. So this was all about, if I show you by drawing this, then you can see that from here till here it was all the profit. Okay, so it was all profit that was taken by using this indicator. As you can see, the strategy is only giving you the results that are the accurate or the perfect, right? So if you like this strategy and you understand it well, do not forget to like and subscribe my video and to use it for your own trading as well. And do not forget to give comments if you like this. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.